Brake pads worn down. That's how bad they were. One screw goes in the back here for the caliper, so come here and grab the disc with the pads. Another screw goes down there. Put this up here, meanwhile, that's where it goes. It's that easy. 2 screws after you take the tire off. Of course, after you lift the car up is when you take out the tire and the rest. Front brake pads, I got them for $24. You get this little lubricant so it won't squeal or the nuts won't get stuck in the future. Brake pads, you bring, this is for the noise, just came off. Comparison from old to new. How much padding the new ones got? Old ones, nothing. New, old. There's always a pad on the inside and one on the outside. Disc is cylindrical, so circular, so obviously the round part goes towards the outside. This is what squeezes. Oil pressure comes in. Has to be manually pushed in before installing the brake pads. The caliper. So you push that in with a vise. Out. And there's 2 of them. As I said, you have to do this with a vise. Could be a cheap one. Probably $5. Vise. Okay, I put brake lubricant on back of the brake pads and the lugs so they won't get stuck. So how do you put the pad in? It's a groove. Put that in. This in, push it down. It's in. Caliper on top. Screws in. That's it. You put the screws in the back. And that's it.